Welcome to this demo of our fully functional point of sale system, which is built with React.js and Node.js. Whether you are a developer and looking to learn full stack development, or a business owner exploring a custom POS solution, this application has everything you need to manage sales, products, and users efficiently. Let us dive in and explore the technologies behind it and its powerful features. This point of sale system is built using a modern tech stack. On the front end, we are using React.js for a dynamic and responsive user interface, which is styled with Bootstrap for a clean and professional look. Under this application, we have also integrated jQuery data tables for efficient data display and Chart.js for insightful analytics. On the backend, we have used Node.js with Express.js our API and connected to a MySQL database for robust data storage. We use JSON Web Tokens for secure authentication and Multi for image uploads, which ensuring a complete full-stack solution. Let us start by logging in under this React point of sale application. Here we can see that the login page is simple yet secure. In application, users has to enter their email and password, which are validated against our MySQL database. If the credentials are correct, a JWT token is generated and stored in the browser's local storage, which will granting access to the protected areas of the app. Once user has been logged in, then we are greeted by the dashboard, which is the heart of our point of sale system. Here, you will see summary cards, which has been displaying key metrics like the total number of categories, products, users, and sales. These analytics numbers are fetched from the backend via API. The dashboard also features two interactive charts powered by Chart.js. The bar chart shows order totals for the last 7 days, which giving you a quick view of recent sales trends. The pie chart breaks down sales by product category, which is perfect for analyzing which categories are driving revenue. Now, let us explore the category management section. This page lists all product categories in a jQuery data table, with server-side pagination and search functionality. As an admin, we can view, add, edit categories. Now to add a new category, we click here, and enter a category name, and select its status, active or inactive. The form data will submit to Node API, and it will saving the data to the MySQL table. And same way, we can update category data, by clicking on this edit button. Next, let us check out user management module. This section is also accessed by admin only, and here we can displace all users in a data table. We can add new users by specifying their name, email, password. In this application, passwords are securely hashed by using bcrypt library on the backend. So when we have click on save button, then adding a user is straightforward and the data is saved to the table. In application, editing users also allows for updating their details, and all changes are synced with the database. Next we have moving on to product management module, and under this section, it will list all products in a data table, including their images, which are fetched from Node API. Now for add new product, we have to click on add product button, so here, add product web page has been loaded. So when we adding a product, so we have to select a category, and enter the product name, price, and status, and select image for upload. The upload image is handled by multi on the backend, which is stored in the uploads folder, and its path is saved in the product table. In this application, editing of products works similarly, which allowing updates to all fields, including replacing of the image. Now, let us look at order management, which is the core part of any POS point of sale system. On this page, we can see lists all orders in a data table, which fetched data from Node API, with details like order number, total, and date. Next we have click on Add Order button, for add new order data. So here, to create a new order, we have to enter an order number, and select products from a page, which fetches available products from backend API. We can add multiple products, specify quantities, and it will calculate the total dynamically. When submitted order data, then the order is saved to the order table, and items stored in order item table, for ensuring accurate tracking. Now for view order details, so we have click on this order view button. So here, order details page load, and here, we can see the full order breakdown, including items and totals. Here, we have one standout feature is the print option, which uses window.print function to generate a clean, print-friendly receipt, and styled with CSS media queries. Next we have Go to Password Change module, and here, users can update their passwords via the Change Password page. So this is React point of sale application, which we will build under this video. So first, we have log out from this demo, and start build from scratch.